Look, we have a case now, the Keith Raniere case, where the FBI, we believe, 7 experts have said, tampered with photographs to make a young woman who was above the age of consent, below the age of consent, for purposes of prosecution. And we're looking here for congressional hearings. We're looking for an opportunity to cross-examine witnesses, to bring them to court. The FBI is not above the law. Whether it be in individual cases like the Keith Raniere case or cases involving the national security of the United States.
So the FBI is tampering with this evidence. It's refusing to hand over evidence. You're a constitutional scholar. I think few would argue that you know the Constitution better than almost anyone alive.
Well, not so well. I wear a tie every day with the Constitution on it. Just my view is I don't want to weaponize partisanship. I don't want to see people turned into criminal based on partisan considerations. But what we must have is a single standard of justice. We cannot have justice based on partisan considerations. I want to go back for 1 minute to the Keith Raniere case, because that has the potential for exposing real problems within the FBI. The courts must give us a hearing on one of his lawyers to explore whether the FBI, 7 witnesses said it did, and we're confident that those witnesses were telling the truth. We need to have the right to use subpoena power to get to the essence of that, and we need to have congressional hearings, because this case, you don't have to like Keith Raniere, you don't have to like what he's accused of doing. That's not what the Constitution's about. The Constitution is about everybody's rights, and if they can do it to Keith Raniere, they can do it to you and me and your uncle and your daughter.
Yeah, Professor, we have an article up here that your team sent us, Newsweek, about Keith Raniere, the appeal and the evidence against the FBI. We encourage our readers to go look into it.